Hello, element 14. Here you can see my setup to detect 40 kilohertz waves in the STWIN. Here I have connected the regular ultrasonic sensor which emits 40 kilohertz waves, and this is to demonstrate if the MP23 ABS1 mic analog microphone is capable to. Here you can see we are getting around half of the reflected wave frequency, because these are getting reflected through the board, and if I place and enclose and try to concentrate the waves on the microphone, you can see here you can see the peak detected is around 40 kilohertz. And if I remove it, see, if I again put my hand and try to, here I can see. Thank you.